Hello and welcome to Tip Talk from ISCAR's Tech Center. Today's Tip Talk is about chip breaking in face grooving applications. Chip breaking has always been an important argument in machining. It is enable the manufacturer to work consistently without having stop and to clean the machine so frequently. In face grooving, we always aim to remove a long and crawly chip from the workpiece, which prevent chips from getting stuck in the groove. As proven, a long chip caused the machine to stop and to be cleaned several times in an hour. For that reason, ISCAR developed tools and inserts with a chip breaker that can break the chips and extract it from the slot. This helps to avoid having to stop the machine so frequently and significantly improve the production time. Thank you for listening.